besties, hope you are doing great wherever you are. Thank you for clicking into this video. Kindly consider subscribing. In this video, I want to show you the total cost breakdown of building a pit latrine. And I know most of the guys doesn't know the cost of setting up a pit latrine. And you know guys, a pit latrine is like a basic need. You know what I mean. You gotta go there every day. And for people who are walking away and you want something like this at home, because you know east-west, home is the best. Let's say for example, you are in abroad and you want to build a pit latrine at home. This video is perfect for you. At least you get to know something before you send money for your pit latrine to be built at home. So guys, without wasting time, let's jump into the video. As you know, for building a pit latrine like this, you have first of all to dig a hole, to dig the latrine, the hole. So the cost process of digging a hole, it took us like 3 weeks, because we did it ourselves. I did it with my bro. We took like 3 weeks building the hole, digging the hole and getting the soil out of the hole. So if I were to charge you for digging the hole, this pit latrine, it's up to 50 feet down the earth, and I will charge you 30,000 for digging that hole. So the first cost is digging the hole, and the price is 30,000 Kenya shillings. When you finish digging the hole, you come to the second step, which is laying the base slab. The base slab is that flat thing which the whole toilet sits on top. And then there we used 2 bags of cement, retailing at 850 each. And then the 2 wire mesh. Wire mesh is the boxes, wire in boxes, which is supposed to hold the cement strong, which cost 1,000. Then we used 2, that is 1,000 multiplied by 2. And then the Y6 metal. The Y6 metal are the one that helps the base or the concrete to be very strong. The Y6 metal costed us 2,000 Kenya shillings. And then there is timber, the side cuts, which are laid down the toilet, then the slab is laid on top. The side cuts costed at 700 Kenyan shillings. And then you come to labor. Labor, we had 1 fundi and 1 handman. Here we normally pay the fundi 1,000 Kenyan shillings, and then the handman is given 500 Kenyan shillings. After the slab is done and the curing is done for at least 2 days, now you are ready to set up the walls. As you know, the walls are the main structure of the toilet. So we set up the walls and we used blocks. We bought the block from a nearby manufacturer, and 1 block costed us 70 Kenya shillings. So let's count the blocks you used on this wall. We're doing the length multiplied by width. As we can count the width, we see there is a half there, then there is another half at the end, and then there is 3 blocks at the middle. So that counts to 4 equal blocks. Then going up, we count with the layers. We start from the bottom. Here we have 1, 2, and then the 3rd one. Then we go to the 4th, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 10th one. So we do the length multiplied by the width. Our toilet is divided into 3 rooms, 2 toilets and 1 bathroom. As we can see, the walls in the middle are 2, and then the outer walls. So the blocks we used in the outer walls, we multiply by 4 so that we get the total number of the blocks. And then at the back side, so sorry, it's a little bit complicated to fill in there, but I have counted the blocks, and we used 7 blocks across and then 9 layers to the top. So when we do the calculation, we found out that we used a total of 250 blocks, and 1 block costed us 70 Kenyan shillings. So when we do 250 multiplied by 70, it comes to 17,500 Kenyan shillings. And then coming to cement, we used 2 bags, which costed 850 multiplied by 2, and then sand, and then there was labor. Also that one we did in 1 day. So we paid the fundi labor of 1 day with his handman. So not to get lost, so far when you do the calculation, we are at 58,600 Kenya shillings. And then it comes time for roofing. As you can see, we've used timber before the iron sheets, and we used 40 meters of timber, and timber is sold at 50 Kenyan shillings per meter. So we do 40 multiplied by 50, which is equals to 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Iron sheets added, and we used 4 iron sheets, which are 2 meters long, that costed 700 Kenyan shillings each, which leads to 700 Kenyan shillings multiplied by 4, which is 2,800 Kenyan shillings. It took us 2 days plastering the whole toilet, and we did the process quickly and faster. The first day we did the first toilet, and the second day we did another toilet plus the bathroom. The third day we came up with the tiling. We did the bathroom tiling. We put the tiles on the wall of the bathroom. And then the fourth day we come up with the floor tiles. We did the floor tiles for all rooms, the 2 toilets and the 1 bathroom, which came out pretty good. As you can see, we only did the half of the wall tiles because we didn't want to put it up to the ceiling, because nobody can spill water up to the ceiling. That's enough for water spillage. It helps the water spilling from the walls, you know, and it's nice. We used 3 bags of cement to complete the tiling job, and you know, we used 1 box of floor tile and 3 boxes of wall tiles. We came to the doors. As you can see, we have 3 doors on this toilet, and before putting the doors, you have to put the door frames. So we bought the door frames at 1,000 Kenyan shillings each, and each door costed us 2,000 Kenyan shillings each. And so that is the total cost. If you do all the calculation, it comes to 76,500 Kenyan shillings. So roughly put up your money to 100,000 Kenyan shillings, and you can build a toilet worth like mine. So guys, kindly, if you find this video informative, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and also share the video. Click the subscription button, the notification button, everything. And guys, be safe wherever you are. Let's meet in the next one.